Dear viewers, we are going to read a three-page verdict by a two-judges bench of the Madras High Court in Contempt Petition number 556 of 2024, dated 2nd August 2024. The judges in the bench were Justice R.SUBRAMANIAN and Justice ABDUL. In this contempt petition, that the court has stated that District Collector of Thanjavur is unfit to be a district collector. Now, we would like to do a complete reading. Before doing that, I would request you to do one small task. You take Contempt of Courts Act 1971 and observe what is the difference between civil contempt and criminal contempt. And now, if you take the annual reports of the Supreme Court, you will find that at any point of time in High Court, at any point of time in any High Court for that matter, 99.5% of the contempt petitions will be civil contempt and 0.5% would be criminal contempt. But if you take news reports, often we see news articles in connection with criminal contempt, not civil contempt. And that underscores the social reality of the why civil contempt should get necessary attention so as to uphold and maintain rule of law as against the rule of force. Now, it is stated that I will also share the link of an interview given by Mr. Elephant G. Rajendran, who is the petitioner in this contempt petition, who states that these are matters connected with an order passed in 2019. And it is really worrisome that you get an order from the court and that order is not implemented and that you have to file contempt petition. This is not right way of doing things. The appropriate public servants and the governments should ensure that the orders of the court are rightly implemented and matters are taken up in the framework of rule of law. Now let us make a complete reading of this court order. Contempt petition number 556 of 2024, Justices R.SUBRAMANIAN, Justice ABDUL. Order of the court was made by Justice R.SUBRAMANIAN. The Joint Commissioner, Hindu Religious, Charitable and Endowments Department, Mayiladurai, has filed his report. He has stated that action has been taken to remove the encroachments in the mandapam that is situated on the southwestern corner of the Porthamarikulam. Mr. Elephant G. Rajendran, the contempt petitioner, would, however, submit that owners of the shops on the western bank of the tank facing the main bazaar road, which is called as Periya Kadaithiru, have encroached upon the tank by putting up constructions in the rear portion of the Patta land, that is, eastern side of the Patta land. The report refers to those lands also, and it further says that the lands in S numbers 1132 to 1163 stand registered in the name of private individuals. While Mr. Elephant G. Rajendran would submit that a portion of the land on the western bank of the tank is a Patta land, his contention is that those Pattadars have encroached upon the temple land on the eastern side, thereby preventing devotees from accessing the eastern bund of the tank itself. This would necessarily involve a complete survey of the area. Therefore, the District Collector Thanjavur, who figures as fifth respondent, is directed to depute a district surveyor along with a team of officials to survey the land around the tank, demarcate the land that forms part of the tank, and file his findings in the form of a report with the Joint Commissioner, Hindu Religious, Charitable and Endowments, Mayiladurai. The said inspection shall be done within a period of 6 weeks from today. On receipt of the report, the Joint Commissioner, HR&CE Mayiladurai, will initiate action under the relevant provisions of HR&CE Act to evict the encroachers and file a report to that effect before this court within 2 weeks from the date of receipt of the district surveyor's report. It is also contended that there is a flight of steps leading to the tank in S numbers 147 and 148. The district surveyor will also file photographs of the inspection and the demarcation. The district surveyor will also file photographs of the inspection and demarcation. Mr. Elephant G. Rajendran will be at liberty to assist the district surveyor. Further, it is to be pointed out that the language used by the district collector in the letter addressed to the special government pleader is quite disturbing. The district collector made eviction of encroachments conditional on allotment of alternative space, which shows that he is unfit to be a district collector. The district collector is directed to ensure that all encroachments are removed, dehorse the allotment of alternative space within a period of 12 weeks from today. Failing removal, the district collector shall be present before this court on 28th October 2024. This letter is directed to be retained in the case bundle. Post on 28/10/2024, Justices R.SUBRAMANIAN and Justice ABDUL. So, with this, we complete the reading of this order. I would like you all to open our eyes widely and to serve as effective watchguards in the democracy, particularly in the context of contempt petitions, more importantly, the civil contempt petitions. Thank you all. See you in one another video.